Welcome back to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani Das, your host and teacher, and here's another one of my favorite musical games. This one is based on the concept of flocking or schooling, like School of Fish, where somebody does something in the group and everybody else sort of copies them or imitates them. It's on the Drum Fun DVD. It's called Flocks and Socks, or that's what I call it. And if you want more on this, how to do it different ways, or extend it, modify it for different groups, you can check that out over at the Patreon site, patreon.com/Kalani, for patrons of the channel. But here's a little glimpse into one way that it looks. And this is from, again, the Drum Fun DVD. So enjoy that. Flocks and Socks. So let's move into some space and we're going to freeze, and then we'll wait until somebody starts. They'll find a position.
Woof, woof. Woof, woof.
All right, so did you click the like button yet? If you haven't, click it right now. Hit the bell if you want to get notifications. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm Kalani. I hope you're doing great and you get to make some good music soon. I hope you're doing well. I'll see you all in a future video.